Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to sign up to Instagram. Open your Instagram app, then long press on your profile icon, then add Instagram account, then create new account. Now you'll have to type in your username. Next, what you're gonna do is create a strong password. Now complete sign up, then you can continue or skip or do whatever you want and choose who can see what you share. You can change this anytime in settings, and if you want you can add a profile picture. If you want to skip it, skipped. Then if you want to follow 5 people, follow. If you don't want to, then don't. And there you go. This is how you can create a new account or sign up in Instagram. Now if you want to follow popular creators or the creators that you like, you can just do that. Instagram will suggest you posts. So yeah, I hope this video helped you guys on how to sign up on your Instagram account. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too, and if you like simple tech videos like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you all so much for watching, and